Today we're talking about one thing and one thing only, and that is how to get over the fear of speaking on camera. The second that red light turns on, I know your heart starts pounding, your palms get all sweaty, and you freeze. Your brain freezes. It feels like all your confidence just vanishes. It's gone. And most people think that this fear or this feeling means that something is wrong with them. You might think, I'm just not a confidence person, or maybe these people are naturally better at this than I am. A lot of people think that if they just wait long enough, or they have the perfect script with the perfect words, that'll make them magically ready. But here's the truth. Confidence on camera is not something that you're born with. Let me say that one more time. Confidence on camera is not something that you were born with. It's built through practice, mindset shifts, and knowing the exact steps to take. And I know all this because I've been there. I've been through all of this. I literally deleted entire recordings, entire YouTube videos because they were just absolutely terrible because I was that nervous. I have built up a few YouTube channels. I've spoken to thousands of people through my videos and through my professional day job. And I just think it's time to coach others to get through that fear of public speaking and speaking on camera. So in this video, I want to walk with you through the real reason why you're feeling that fear, why you're afraid to speak on camera, and a simple mindset shift that will make absolutely everything click faster than you've ever expected. Why do you freeze up when the camera turns on? The fear of speaking on camera isn't just about speaking on camera, it's the fear of judgment. And I think we can all agree about that. The brain, it thinks that the camera is an audience. It literally doesn't know if it's one person, 10 people, or 100,000 people watching. And that's just your brain doing its job to protect you from pure embarrassment. But here's the thing, nobody is judging you. Nobody is judging you as hard as you are, as hard as yourself. And I get it, I know exactly how it feels. You don't like how your voice sounds when you listen to it back. Nobody does. You don't like how you look. You don't like how your hair was. You don't like how your face looked. Maybe you feel overweight. Maybe you feel too skinny. You rewatch all your takes and hyper analyze every single breath that you take. But the people who are watching you, they're not looking for perfection. They're not. What they're looking for is they're looking for a connection. Here's a huge trap that most beginners fall into. Almost everybody, even myself. They want to wait until they feel completely confident until they hit that record button. They want to wait until they're so polished before they hit record. But you got to understand something. Confidence is not a requirement. It's a result. Think about this. You don't become a good swimmer with just reading about swimming, thinking about swimming. You have to get in the pool and swim, right? You can't become a good runner if that's your thing by just reading about running or watching fast people run. You have to get off the couch and go run and probably put in years of that to get good at it. Speaking on camera works the exact same way. Public speaking works the exact same way. The more you do it, even if you're nervous, the more your brain starts to realize that, hey, this isn't actually dangerous. Hey, I'm not in danger. That shaky voice that you had, well, it starts to fade. Those sweaty palms that you have, they start to get a little bit dry. And then suddenly that red light, it just doesn't seem as terrifying anymore. Here's a little bit of a method that I came up with that I want to teach and talk about so you can get results a little bit faster. Step one is lower the bar, man. Stop trying to be impressive with everything you do. Here's the hard truth. This is a hard one. Your first videos that you film probably will not be good. And they're not supposed to. They're supposed to be honest. That's it. Just be the beginner. Say it out loud if you need to. Hey, I'm still getting used to being on camera. I'm still a little bit nervous, but guess what? I show up when I need to. Step two is something that I do all the time. That is practice. Practice on purpose. Here's a little bit of a tip. Film 1-minute clips of yourself talking. Pretend you're talking to a best friend. That's like the easiest thing to do. That's what I do. Don't even upload the clips. Film them, rewatch them, see how you feel. As you do this, you will get better and better, and it will get easier and easier. Just pretend you're talking to a friend. Right now, this camera in front of me, it's not 100,000 people. It's not 10 people. It's not one person. It's just a camera. It's my friend. I try to pretend that I'm talking to a few of my buddies just sitting around. This is your gym time, right? No pressure, no audience. There's nothing at stake. I already talked about this a little bit, but step three is to watch the footage back. Here's a huge thing. Watching your own footage, most people, they nitpick and they just find things that they hate about themselves. Instead of nitpicking everything that goes on, find just one thing that you like. There has to be one thing you like, whether that's your energy, your eye contact, maybe it's your body language, your posture, maybe you feel like your tone of voice is really nice. Just find that one thing. I want to talk about the breakthrough mindset that you're going to need. Here's the real unlock. So speaking on camera isn't about being polished. It's more about being present. Does that make sense to you? Remember, you're not performing. You don't have to perform. You're not putting on an act. You're connecting with people. Be the real you. And once you stop trying to sound like someone else, you know what's going to happen? You're going to sound like you. And that's just pure magic. The moment you accept that nervousness is the moment you win. It really is. Here's what I want you to do. Here's a little exercise we're gonna do right after this video. As soon as you click off, take out your phone. I know it's around you, get it out of your pocket, and you're gonna film a 30-second clip of yourself. Hold your phone up, look right into it and say, I'm still getting used to being on camera, but I'm gonna do this anyway. That's it, that's all you have to do. There's no pressure in that. You don't have to upload it, no one's gonna see it. Just do it. Listen, you know what that's gonna do? That's gonna make you already one step ahead of yourself from yesterday, or that person that's inside here that keeps saying, maybe I'll do it, I'm not ready yet, maybe. You already did it. You already did it. Congratulations. And remember, you don't have to feel ready. You just have to click record. Get out there and shock the world. This is Red Light Ready. I'm ready. Are you ready is the question. I'm ready. I've been ready. If this helped you even at all, even a little bit, I'm gonna tell you the next video is gonna hit super hard. It's gonna hit, brah. It's about how to speak like a real human on camera, like you're actually talking to your friends. Remember to click up here if you wanna watch that next.